Long-haul examination recommends that torrential slide cost might actually flood to $59 to $530 by 2050 in a very significant manner. As of the most recent update, torrential slide is exchanging at around $39.17, which really is very huge. Torrential slide cost gauge proposes a chance of Avax exchanging between $87.39 to $102.54 in 2025, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. The negative cost expectation for torrential slide Avax in 2030 truly is $661.30, with a very possible in every way that really matters high of $766.09. This makes torrential slide Avax by and large positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, showing how starting around 17 February 2024 torrential slide most certainly is exchanging at $39.17 in term of its worst rate with the value change of 125% in especially most recent 60 minutes. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2024, what will torrential slide fundamentally be truly worth in 2024 in a genuinely significant manner? Is torrential slide an especially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024 in a huge manner? Will Avax cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which basically is genuinely critical? These, for the most part, are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which generally is very critical. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2024 as per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost explicitly is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $60.63, the normal least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to essentially be $58.96 in an in every way that really matters significant way. Besides, Avax can really arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $68.41, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide Avax value expectation February 2024. Concerning February 2024, torrential slide cost for the most part is conjectured to arrive at an outright least cost of $39.65, which generally shows that this basically makes torrential slide Avax especially positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, showing how starting around 17 February 2024 torrential slide certainly is exchanging at $39.17 in term of its worst rate with the value change of 125% in certainly most recent 60 minutes. The Avax cost could explicitly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $45.8 with the extremely normal expected cost around $43.83 incredibly. Torrential slide value estimate walk 2024 the by and large normal cost of torrential slide Avax could go to $45.14 toward the finish of walk 2024. Avax could in a real sense exchange around in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of $47.27 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $43.47 in a very significant manner. Torrential slide Avax value expectation April 2024. The cost for torrential slide in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $44.86 and $49.53, or so they fundamentally thought, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $46.95, showing how torrential slide Avax value expectation April 2024. The cost for torrential slide in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $44.86 and $49.53, or so they thought. Torrential slide value expectation May 2024. The cost of torrential slide generally is truly anticipated to in a real sense reach at a fundamentally least worth of $46.69 in May 2024, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avax cost could for the most part arrive at a really greatest worth of $51.88 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $48.36 all through 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Avax value figure June 2024. With respect to June 2024, torrential slide generally is supposed to truly arrive at a least value worth of $48.62 in an in every practical sense significant way. The Avax cost could truly arrive at a really most extreme cost of $54.29 with the in every practical sense normal cost around $51.29, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value expectation July 2024. The cost of torrential slide fundamentally is basically anticipated to reach at a least worth of $49.71 in July 2024, which especially is very critical. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $56.31 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $51.80 all through 2024, which by and large is very critical. Avax value estimate August 2024. The torrential slide figure for August 2024 expects that the Avax may especially arrive at a most extreme worth of $58.90 with an in every practical sense, least cost of around $51.69, or so they basically thought. Discussing the genuinely normal value Avax can generally stretch around $53.35 for August in a for the most part significant manner. Torrential slide value forecast September 2024. The cost of torrential slide most certainly is truly anticipated to truly reach at a kind of least worth of $53.40 in September 2024, which especially is very huge. The Avax cost could especially arrive at an especially greatest worth of $61.03 with a by and large normal exchanging worth of $55.49 all through 2024, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value expectation October 2024. The cost of torrential slide for the most part is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach at a genuinely least worth of $54.93 in October 2024. So torrential slide value forecast May 2024. The cost of torrential slide truly is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach at a kind of least worth of $46.69 in May 2024, which generally is very huge. The Avax cost could basically arrive at a most extreme worth of $63.25 with a typical exchanging worth of $56.60 all through 2024, which certainly is very huge. Avax value estimate November 2024. The torrential slide gauge for November 2024 expects that the Avax may generally arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $66.08 with a very least cost of around $56.21 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Discussing the extremely normal value Avax can truly stretch around $58.30 for November, showing that torrential slide value expectation September 2024. The cost of torrential slide is basically anticipated to especially reach at an especially least worth of $53.40 in September 2024, or so they sort of thought. Avax value gauge December 2024. With respect to December 2024, torrential slide sort of is supposed to truly arrive at a sort of least value worth of $58.96, which especially is very critical. The Avax cost could especially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $68.41 with a genuinely normal cost around $60.63. Torrential slide past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters, has been explicitly diminished by 441% in its truly current worth, or so they for the most part thought. Assuming we for the most part look at the truly current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down in a very enormous manner. From very most recent 7 days, the Avax certainly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 183%. Torrential slide basically has shown most areas of strength for certainly of potential recently, and this could be a great chance to dive right in and contribute, which sort of is very critical. Torrential slide value figure 2024.